To trace lines of inside landscape including the pool, these planters, this planter here, and the garage floor, we will use line and rectangle tools to draw lines and boundaries of planters or pool. We will see together how to draw this pool here and its planters. First, with rectangle tool, draw a rectangle from this point. This rectangle will be its depth 135 and width it's about 282. We will write 282, 135 like thus, have this shape, delete this face, then with arc tool, A letter in keyboard, we will draw this arc. But to draw it, we have to specify its radius, so we will draw a line on this edge, equal the radius which is from any point on the arc to its center. Draw 40 centimeters on this edge, delete this face, then draw the arc. Note that arc with cyan color. The arc is narrow a little bit, may change to 50 centimeters radius with line tool, then with arc tool. Its color is cyan, but once it is magenta, this means the arc is tangent with both edges, so now it's matching the sketch. Double click, then delete faces and these extended lines. Also, there is another way. If we have this shape, a face like this, and we know the arc start point, then draw the radius 50, then draw the arc itself, hover over on this edge once it's magenta, double click, it will automatically delete the extended lines and have this shape. Delete this face, then select lines we draw, then offset it 15 centimeters. Press O, offset 15. So this is first planter. It's preferable to make a group of this line, this arc also, this line, and these lines. So press G to make them a group. Then here we will draw this planter. This planter will start from this window point and draw 100 centimeters. Then check this line length. In the bottom, it's about 250 or 255. Make it 255. Then draw 100 centimeters. Then close the shape. Triple click to select all edges we draw and make it in a group, then open it, select it all, then offset 15 centimeters. So this is the second planter. Pool stairs start after 40 centimeters from this planter, and here have a 70 as a landing. So we will draw here this landing. It will be 100 by 70. Then from this point we will draw a line to start of this door. Then we will draw an edge like this. Then we will copy it, move it 40 centimeters. Then with this edge holding control, we will divide this distance and copy it to start edge of the landing. Click on this point, then divide this distance by 5 stairs. To divide this distance by 5 stairs, we will write division slash, then write 5. So now there are 5 steps, exactly matching the sketch. Then draw a rectangle from here. We will check its dimensions. Find its length is 285, then comma 100, then draw another one 285 by 80. Delete these faces. Like thus we draw this floor, but we don't need this line, cause it isn't represent anything, and some gravel will be here in this part as a part of the landscape, and here we will delete this line, also this face. After that, draw garage landscape with rectangle tool. Check rectangle dimensions, it's 315 by 53. Make it 315,53. Then delete this face and make these edges group. Press G. Then offset these two lines. Offset 15 centimeters. But now we offset all lines. We just want these two lines. So only we select both lines, then offset 15, then delete faces. So this planter is done. After that, this path, draw it from this point to this point. To define the rectangle width, we will snap it with this corner point. Snap like this. So width will be 130. And length may be 375. So write 375, 130. So this is the shape. Then we will select it and make it a group. Then open it and offset all edges 20 centimeters or 15. Delete this face. We divide it later, but this part need to increase 5 centimeters, so we will move it 5 centimeters. Now it match. Then copy it on 100 centimeters distance. It's matching the sketch. Then copy it again on 15 centimeters distance or 20 to match. So we know these parts, this part and this 20 centimeters, and this part here, it will be 15 centimeters. So we will keep on it and delete these two edges.